This is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Has the Z71 four-wheel drive off-road package on it. And it also has the LT Plus as well as the All-Star package. So I'll have some screenshots of the window sticker in the photo section so you can get all the details of that, as well as in the comment section you can read about it. This particular truck, it has the jet black leather, the 40-20-40 split bench. So the seat will come up and you have another seat there. You also have a lockable storage compartment here underneath. You got a dual glove box. The top is locking and it has a USB port here in the corner. And then on the bottom you have just a traditional glove box, owner's manual, trailer wiring provisions and whatnot. And then here's that window sticker. I'm going to screenshot this so you can see it in detail, but there's just some of those little packages I was talking about. There's your Z71 door sill plates and then some rubber floor mats. It is a double cab, so it's not the full size back. And then it has rubber mats here in the back as well. There's a little storage under there and a 12-volt outlet. Seats do fold up to give you some more space. Has a black pinstriping down the side. You have your bullet liner spray and bed liner. That was done in Oklahoma City. You have your Chevy factory upgraded mud flaps. They're a hard plastic. 18-inch rims. Got your Wrangler tires. Reverse parking sensors, power sliding rear glass. The paint is a silver ice metallic. So there's your tow package here. It has the carpet liners here in the wheel wells. You have your child locks for the windows and doors, power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And it does have a power driver seat here. You have your automatic headlights with your fog light button, and then there is your four-wheel drive. 57,798 miles. There's your Bluetooth, cruise control, there's your wipers, backup camera, built-in navigation, dual zone automatic climate control with your heated seats, power adjustable pedal. You also get a 110 outlet down here, as well as your 12-volt and a little storage cubby. You have the keyless entry with remote start. Up top you have your OnStar here on the bottom of the mirror. LED map lights, garage door opener, power sliding rear glass. And you get the illuminated visors, and they slide. It's a non-smoker. Really nice truck.